This is the last member of the Chaos Council I've finally drawn up. I'm finally drawing this outside. I got the chance to draw this for the reason is that I'm already out doing shows. I'm already on the road by now. I'm already at college. Tonight we're drawing the Chaos Council member, Dr. Don't. This is one of the Chaos Council, and well, he's more than just a gamer. He's more than just a game master. He's the guy who created all the equipment for the Chaos Council. Smog concrete robots. Felt like this guy built it. There we are. Here's his man purse. I don't know why he has that. There we are. There's his shoe. Shard. These guys are collecting shards so they can rule the Shatterverse. Their first idea was to make their robots bigger. Then they came up with the idea for Chaos Sonic. And then there's this giant prismatic titan that looked just like the original Robotnik. That was really crazy what they just did. I don't know what's going to happen in Season 3. I feel like the real mission is to unite the Shatterverse into one. I don't know where 9 went with the shards. They're probably off to the... Well, they're probably off to the... You know, Grim. Where the shards are being hidden. I bet Sonic is on a mission to get them back. And rebuild Ghost Hill. Now turning into Green Hill. And to be honest, well, he's probably going to need to wake his friends up. Maybe if he punches them, maybe they'll come back. Triggering their memories, triggering them back to normal. Anyway, there he is. That is how you draw Dr. Don't from Sonic Prime. I've finally done it. I drew all the Chaos Council members. Hashtag whatevs.